just popping right into this video really quick to thank Hollister for sponsoring today's video. I thought I'd do a little quick get ready with me on how I get ready super fast for exam season. This is a 10-minute makeup routine and super quick and easy outfits for you guys to choose from, and I will be linking all of the clothing pieces I got from Hollister down below. Check out their new arrivals and denim line for you guys to shop back to school stuff and for exam comfy clothes. I have a couple options here, and I did wear some of these pieces in a past weekly vlog. Currently I'm wearing the white turtleneck from Hollister that I will link down below. I love white turtlenecks, and this one's perfect. It's a little ribbed. It is not too thin nor thick, so it's perfect for layering, and it's super comfy, perfect for studying or going to school. It's super easy to put on. I love it. I will be sharing my outfit of the day for this video very soon, but until then I'm just sharing with you guys a bunch of the other pieces I have from Hollister. I have an amazing sweater, and it's the one that you guys were asking about in that vlog that I wore it in my productive week of my life. It's a really cute striped sweater. I have also a really cute zip up, and once again, be sure to check everything out down below so you guys can get some super cute clothes for this semester. And I know it's like exam season and it's like midterms and stuff, so comfy clothes, retail therapy, I'm all for it, and Hollister has some great selection, so be sure to check them out. New arrivals and their denim collection, their jeans, I love them. They fit so well, and you guys also asked me about the jeans I was wearing in that vlog, and I am wearing it in today's video, so they will be linked down below for you guys to check out, so be sure to look down below for all the info. Let's continue.
Told myself that I'm alright. Told my friends I'll be fine. Told my mom that I got friends, I still do. I do. And oh, I feel all alone. Turning on my bed, scrolling fast on my phone like, oh, I would grow. Be a better son, call my mom a little more. But I'm messed up, and trust me, I know I could do better, oh, I know for sure. Stressed out, oh baby, I know I'm lost, and I know for sure. I know, okay. I know. I look into the mirror, I'm like, who this is? I listen to his songs, I'm like, who this is? Asking all these questions, but I got no answers. Turning to the smoke, trying to find some answer. Whoa, I've been on a road, hitting rock bottom few times in a row. Like, oh, I wish I would grow. Be a better son, call my mom a little more. But I'm messed up, but trust me, I know. Do better, oh, I know for sure. Stressed out, oh baby, I know. I'm lost, and I know for sure. I know. Feeling like my hands been tied. Well, they are. Sinking in the ocean, let me stay alive. Losing all my sense and my side of time. So every long day is a bad day. True. And every cold day is a sad day. Also and every short day is a good day. But every time I see you, I still turn away. Hey, cause I'm messed up, but trust me, I know I could do better, oh, I know for sure. Stressed out, oh baby, I know I'm lost, and I know for sure. I know, okay. I know.
And that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I would like to thank Hollister for sponsoring today's video. I know it was super chill. I wanted to share with you guys a quick, quiet morning routine that I would do and to get ready for exams. I was getting ready for an exam this day that I'm filming the Get Ready With Me. I'm pretty sure it was my microeconomics exam. So this is literally what I wore in my 10-minute makeup routine to ensure that I get enough rest, but I also wanted to look presentable, so I just kind of fixed up my my face a little bit. Even though it was just a super comfy outfit, it still looked cute. So be sure to check out Hollister's awesome new arrivals in denim and jean collection. It's perfect for on the go, easy to choose from, so be sure to check that out down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Good luck at school. I love you guys so much. You guys have my support, and you got this. So until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, beauties!
This my niche, play my role, what you hold, little boy best on reach. Your shit dirt, you get curved, I just sow and reap. With that ease, hella clean, rips all on your knees. That's that work when you hurt, my head full of steam. I got lucid dreams, I make movie scenes, this not new to me.